Hello students, I am Parvesh Kumar from Golden Public School. Today in this video, I am going to explain the remaining part of the chapter Discovering Tut. The saga continues. This chapter is written by A.R. Williams. Dear students, in first video, you have learned Tut was the last heir of a powerful Egyptian dynasty. You learned he was a teenager when he died about 3300 years ago. You also learned his tomb was discovered in 1922 by an English archaeologist, Carter. A CT scan was done on his mummy. It could solve many mysteries regarding Tut's life and death. You have read all these facts in first video. Today I am going to start the explanation of the remaining part of this chapter. Okay students, so let us start the explanation of the remaining part. First I will read the text. After that I will tell you the meaning of difficult word, and after that you will get the explanation of the passage. So let us start. Just a CT machine scanned the mummy head to toe. Head to toe, that means top to bottom. Created 1700 digital X-ray imaging is cross section. Tut's head is scanned in 0.62 millimeter slice to register its intricate structure. Dear students, the CT scan machine scanned the body of the body of Tut by creating 1700 digital X-rays in cross section. Dear students, you are to keep in mind that Tut's head was scanned in 0.62 millimeter slice to record the tiny details about him. Okay, yes. So Tut's head is scanned in 0.62 millimeter slice to register its intricate structure takes on array. Array means strange. Array, that is strange. Array details, that means strange image of Tut's head as visible with the help of CT scan. So takes on eerie detail in the resulting image with Tut's entire body similarly recorded. A team of specialists in radiology, forensics, the anatomy. If we talk about forensics, that means the application of the scientific method of investing a crime. And if we talk about the anatomy, that means the branch of science which deals with the body structure of human, animal or other living beings. So here it is mentioned a team of specialists in radiology, forensics and anatomy begin to probe the secrets that the winged goddesses of a gilded burial shrine. Shrine means holy place. If we talk about here shrine, that means holy place. It is for holy place. This is called a holy place. Yes. Okay students, so we can say a CT machine scanned the body of Tut from head to toe completely. It created 1700 digital X-ray images in cross section. His head scanned in 0.62 millimeter slices to register its irritate structures. Okay, the body was scanned to know the reason behind his death and to know the unrevealed fact of his life. Okay, students, let us see the meaning of the word. Airy details I have already told to strange, that is strange image of tut heads as visible with the help of CT scan. Forensics, that means the application of the scientific method to investigate a crime. The next word, anatomy, that means the branch of science. Anatomy is the branch of science which deals with the body structure of human, animal, other living beings. The next word is burial, that means burying the dead, and shrine, the holy place. Let us see the next passage from the book. The night of scan, that means the night on which the scan done. Workmen carried tut from the tomb in his box. That means the people who were working, they carried his body out from the tomb in the box. Like pallbearers, they climbed a ramp. They climbed a ramp and lifted, sorry, ramp and flight of stairs into the swirling sand out. Then rose on a hydraulic lift into the trailer that held the scanner. That means on that night when CT scan was done, workmen carried out his body or the box from the tomb. They carried it like the pallbearers. They climbed the ramp and flight of the stairs, and they moved into the swirling wind. Since the wind was blowing, that is why there was swirling sand. Okay, then rose on the hydraulic lift into the trailer where the CT scanner was arranged. 20 minutes later, two men emerged, sprinted, that means running, for an office nearby, and returned with a pair of white plastic fans. The $1 million scanner had quit because of sand in a cooler fan. Curse of Pharaoh, joked a guard nervously. Dear students, when the body was being CT scanned, the fan of the scanner stopped working. So, two men ran toward the nearby office. They brought a pair of white plastic fans, and with the help of those fans, the procedure carried out. Here, a guard joked and said that it was the curse of Pharaoh. Okay, students? Eventually, the substitute fans mean the fan which were brought by the men, the plastic fans, white plastic fans which were brought by the men. These were the substitute fans. Worked well enough to finish the procedure. That means the CT scan was completed with the help of substituted fan. Although the cooler fan of the machine had stopped working, but the fan which were brought by two men from the office worked properly and helped to complete the process, to finish the process. After checking that no data has been lost, the technician turned over to the workmen. That means when the CT scan was finished, completed, and technicians were sure that no data has been lost, they turned dead body to the workman, who carried him back to his tomb. Less than 3 hours after he was removed from his coffin, the pharaohs again rested in peace. where the funerary priest had laid him so long ago. That means, if we talk about the explanation, during the night, workmen climbed up on the ramp and the flight of stairs to carry the body from the tomb into the spinning sand outside. Because there was wind was blowing, that why sand was spinning. So the body was brought into the spinning sand. They rose the body on to a hydraulic lift, then into a trailer where the scanner was kept. After 20 minutes, two men ran toward the office nearby to bring two fans. The scanner was not working as the sand had entered a cooler fan. The guard joked that it was because of the curse of the Pharaoh, because they had removed his body. If we talk about the word meaning here, dear students, we can see pallbearers, that means a person who helps to escort a coffin at a funeral. Here the meaning. Okay, just. The next word here is swelling, that means to spine or twist. The next word is hydraulic lift. Hydraulic lift, that means a lift that uses a machine to lift or move heavy object with a pressure. The next word is sprinted, that means run at a high speed. These are the difficult words used in the passage. Let us see the next passage here. Okay, back in the trailer, a technician pulled up astonishing image of it on a computer screen. A grey head took shape from a scattering of pixels, and the technician spun and titled it in every direction. In every direction. In the trailer, the technician saw a beautiful image of on a computer screen. He saw the grey head which was scattered in pixels and spun it around. Okay, students. Neck vertebrae appeared as clear as in an anatomy class. That means it was the clear skin. Other images revealed a hand, several views of rib cage, and a transection of the skull. That means in the other image, a hand, several views of the rib cage, and a transection of skull can be seen. Could be seen. But for now the pressure was off. Sitting back in his chair, Jahi Hawaz smiled, visibly relieved that nothing had gone seriously wrong. I did not sleep last night, not for a second, he said. I was so worried, but now I think I will go and sleep. By the time we left the trailer, descending metal stairs to the sand ground, the wind had stopped. The wintry air lay cold and still like death itself. In this valley of the departed, just above the entrance to Tom's touchstone. Dear students, if we talk about the word meaning, stood Orion. Orion, that means constellation that the ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Osiris, the god of the afterlife, watching over the boy king. That means this constellation was above in the sky at that time. Astonishing, that means surprising, amazing. Pixels, a pixel is a single point in a graphic image. Spun, to turn around. Vertebrae, that means series of small bones which form a backbone. Dear students, if we talk about the explanation of this passage, we can say in the trailer the technician saw a beautiful image of Tut on computer screen. He saw the grey head which was scattered in pixels and he spun it around. Next, the vertebrate head, rib cage and transection of his skull were shown. As the work completed, the pressure was finally off from the shoulders of Jahi Hawaz. While sitting in his chair, he smiled and said that he was relieved that nothing went wrong. Nothing went wrong. He had not slept the previous night, and now, as the work was done, he would go and sleep. By the time they left the trailer, the wind had stopped and winter air was like death itself. Just above the tomb, the Orion constellation shone in the night sky, watching over the boy king. Dear students, here the explanation completes. I hope this video will be helpful you. Thank you.